Hey guys, here's my video on invisible hand-tied wefts. This technique is ideal for anyone who has medium density hair as well as at least medium length hair to begin with. It's also ideal for clients who don't mind having to come to the salon approximately every 6 to 8 weeks for a move-up or maintenance visit. What makes this technique so seamless is the ability to customize the flexible and discreet hand-tied wefts with hair color. These types of wefts have become very trendy in the past couple of years, and what makes my signature technique stand apart is the ability to hide the anchor beads from all angles, even upside down. If you're curious about whether an invisible hand-tied weft sew-in might be right for you, you can book a consultation by clicking the link in my bio to discuss custom options for your hair. Alright guys, keep watching to see how this turns out. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe.